We're doing it again. We're doing another ultimate build budget giveaway. The last one we did earlier this year, actually Caesar won, and Caesar didn't have a vehicle that he could utilize all $40,000 in store credit and $10,000 in cash on. So he actually went out and bought himself a brand new D41 Frontier. And actually at the time we are shooting this, we are finishing it up. Here's some cool shots. Congratulations, Caesar. We really hope you like the build when everything is said and done. So in case you guys are new to this is how it works. Every dollar you spend on the website gets you entered to win the ultimate build budget giveaway. It is $40,000 in store credit and $10,000 cash. And we have multipliers for every dollar you spend on certain brands. So of course you get times 10 entry on all Z1 Motorsports, Z1 Off-Road, and Tech Sport products. We have times 5 multiplier on everything Nissan, Infiniti, Nismo, Toyota, GR Racing, Ecutech, Hayaku, Schwaben, TRD, and Limelight products. And then we also have a times 2 multiplier on everything RCI Off-Road, BC Racing, Dobinson, Bilstein, and Method Race Wheels. So that's how easy it is. Get the parts you need, and especially during the Freedom Sale. This is across all of our banners. Now is the most opportune time to save on the parts you need and get entered into the ultimate build budget giveaway. Of course, no purchase is necessary. You guys can find all the rules and terms and conditions on the website. Good luck. See you soon.
Want to win $50,000 to build your dream ride? Learn more and shop now at Z1Motorsports.com, Z1Offroad.com, and TechSport.com.